Yes, fellow viewers, fellow traders, those invested in the forex market and the financial markets. It's another wonderful day, and it's your friend, Mr. K, here broadcasting live from WajaniTV. And today is today is the fourth day of February of 2024. And in this video, we will be reviewing the markets for this week, for the week of this new week that we are in. So without further ado, please join us and follow our analysis. We have great analysis, I tell you. All the time we have amazing analysis. Analysis that you can take trades and have winning and make money and stay consistent in profits. So as usual, I have a friend over at the other end. Mokes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can get you.
Okay, how are you?
No, bless God.
All right. Though your
Hope
volume
same.
your volume is a little bit sad, but no problem. We'll work with what you have.
Okay.
So let's go to this market. Let's look at Euro USD for today. Let's look how the market started. This is Euro USD 4 hours. But I think before we come to Euro USD, just a few points between you and me, Mokes. There are a couple of markets I want us to review. We reviewed them at the back end, and I will start with that way
Okay.
because if we don't do this, we will not be following our traits consistently. We have to see if we made mistakes on certain reviews or certain analysis, see what our errors were and correct them so that we don't repeat them in the next round. You follow?
Yeah, I'm getting
Yeah,
you,
so
bro.
we will start with GBP USD. Last time we said there was a news in the market that affected GBP USD. And from your perspective, you said the bulls did not finish well in the market. And we were on a verge that if the markets come down, we will cross and it goes to sell. But I was of the opinion that it is very important that when the market is going towards the bullish direction, you should be looking for buying opportunities. If it is going towards the bearish direction, you should be looking for selling opportunities. You can't see a market going in a bullish direction and you're looking for selling opportunities. So I just wanted to clarify that point because at the end you see how the market moved. The market moved upward. The market was somewhere here. It was somewhere here when the market closed that day. And when the market reopened yesterday, you had this candle and you had this bullish candle and you had it all the way right up here. So there was a great move to the upside. I just wanted us to clarify that. So, if normally, like I said, we do not need a lot of analysis to be able to define where a market is headed to. Once you have drawn your trend line, you should be able to know where the market is going to. Yes, you mentioned here that there was a more bearish power. That was understood, but remember that the market had already burst out of this area, which means now it's like you are in a house. Now you have left that house. Whatever is happening out of that house is something else. Look at this strong candle. You would have been expecting that maybe the market will break down and continue, but the market never broke down and broke through and continued. As naked traders, we let price action tell us what to do. We do not forecast. We do not. Though sometimes we might try to procrastinate directions, but we at the end we let price action tell us what the market is doing. I remember that there was a news on this day that affected this area, and with you, Mokes, you said the market didn't close properly because you said bear bulls were not in control yet. But remember, the line here would have been our determinant. The line here was our determinant to tell us if the market was going to continue going down or it was going to continue going up. So I just wanted to get that clarification out of the way. So let's always try to get price action. And once price, we know that everything is correlated, but once something has left an area, this is a new trend that has started here. It's different from this trend. The market has changed because we said that the market has at least 3 different phases. This was this was like the consolidation phase. The consolidation phase bursts out and it's done. Now this is a different phase which is independent of this. So, and I think there was another currency. I can't remember exactly. I think this currency right here. This currency right here, Mooks. Yes, this currency right here. If you remember this market, do you remember this market?
Let me see currency.
This
Let me
was
see.
Euro JPY. This was Euro
Okay,
JPY.
yeah.
When you saw this, when you saw this rejection and you saw this candles, right? You were of
Yes.
the prediction that the market was going to go down, but I was like, no, we have to wait to see what the market is actually going to do. Now, there is another thing we have to understand in the market. You should understand that there are resting periods in the market. The market rests. When there's a trend, there's a time that the market rests. It's just like when you are driving, a manual car. At a certain point, you have to slow down. You have to change. If you are climbing a mountain, there's a certain time you have to change the brake. When you are changing the brake, the car slows down at that moment. It doesn't mean the trend has ended. That's the same thing that happened here, because after that you see that the market continued till even beat this high and made a new high. And I will not say I was disciplined enough to follow my strategy to take profit at this at right up here. So all of this, because I entered the market somewhere here, this is where I entered the market. So I edit all the way. If you see, this is where I entered the market and this is where I came out. So
How
irrespective
many
of,
was that?
let me see how many peeps was that. That was 110 peeps.
Wow.
Yes. So irrespective of what the market was doing at that time, yes, the market gave me a data. But there was a point I was expecting of this market. I was expecting that if this market comes down and breaks through this line, I know that the trend has changed. If it breaks through this support level, if it came right here, it was here, right? I knew that if it comes down, continue to come down and break through here, I should get out of the market, or I should start a sell trade, or I should be looking for selling opportunities. Okay. Yeah, I should be looking for selling opportunities. That's why your lines are very important, because your lines are the ones that tell you if a market is continuing or it has made a difference. If you come right up here, after the market went up here, you see that it break this first barrier. Once it break this first barrier, you should have been start thinking, oh, because all over here, 1 2, you had a support, and now the market broke and it has broken through the second barrier. That is to tell you that the trend has changed direction. Even if you were smart, once this market, you will have entered this trade somewhere here, and you look for, and you start looking for you will have taken, maybe entered here, because once this market break through here and finish with this bullish candle, you will have entered somewhere around here, and you start looking for a take profit in the next zone, which will be this zone. Yeah, so that's how it works. There are no two things. Sometimes when we are doing these things, it's good that people actually see our winning trade and how we trade. Yeah, because I will show you that. I'll probably just show you that in a later video to see how, to show you the reality of what we are doing here. That is a fact. Okay. So, Mokes, I just wanted to show you this point that you should take note. And if you see, I'd already drawn a line here because I knew that this was a support already. This was a support, right? The market had created a support here because you see though there's this rejection up here, this rejection does not still default the fact that this market is still in an uptrend. And where this thing formed, where this, okay, you see that there was a support here, support. This will have been a clue for you. This will have been a clue for us to know that, hey, we should watch this level seriously. Not because you just decide to leave the market, you just jump out of the market, because you still had you had a level. You still have a level that you are looking at. You are drawing your support line. You're drawing your support line. So you're waiting. There's a point at which you know, oh, this trend has completely changed direction. It's not like when the market makes a small move and you are shaking that you need to come out. And this is one thing that is discouraging. Is discouraging to stay on the chart frequently, to keep looking at the chart frequently, because it plays with your emotion a lot. There are a couple of trades I took today. Let me show you one of those trades. That will be Euro JPY. I took a trade on Euro JPY. All right, this is Euro JPY MOOCs, right? I took this trade. Okay. You see here, I took it all the way from here. All my trades are shown. I took this trade from here. I entered the market here and I came out here. I made 59 pips. You get it?
Yeah.
I made 59 pips in this market. But see where I got out of the market, because I was shaking. At first, I had put my stop loss, my take profit somewhere around here. But because I was working from home today and did not go out, I kept looking at my charts. You get it? So when I look at the lower time frame, when I came down and saw what 1 minute was doing, 1 minute was retracing, I was shaking that, oh, let me move out of the market. I came out of the market, right? I came out of the market. See, after I came out of the market, see how many pips the market moved. The market moved so about 17 pips more. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but if I would have just stayed in the market for maybe under 5 minutes, it would have hit my stop loss. But because I was constantly sitting and watching at the market being played over my emotion, I was quick to take profit without meeting my target. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yes. So I just wanted to show you.
Yes.
Yeah, I just wanted to bring that point over to you. So those are the two clarifications that I wanted us to talk about before we review the market for today. So we'll start with Euro USD. Now,
Yeah, that's nice.
Euro USD
That's nice.
Euro USD is showing us that it's going bullish. It's going bullish seriously. And if we look at 4 hours, it has come to a point of resistance. This is a point of resistance right here. So that's a point of resistance. So if we should draw our thingy right here, because this is resistance, resistance, resistance. So the market is resisting this level. So there are a couple of things here that we will want to observe. Okay, Mooks. There are a couple of things. This is 4 hours. I don't like doing 4 hours straight, but we can do the tracing on 4 hours and come and take a trade on 1 day. It just depends on which time frame you're trading. So this is resistance, resistance. There are 3 resistances at this point. So what are we waiting for? For me, my observation here will be for the market to actually break through this level and finish out of this level that I've drawn, right? If it breaks through this level,
You're right.
yes, if it breaks through this level, say that again.
No, you're right.
Yeah, so I was saying that if it breaks through this level and finishes out, then we can continue to take a buy trade. Yeah, because there's a resistance here, there's resistance. And things like this, to actually see how powerful the candles might go upward, we have to look at the strength of the candle to determine how far the market can go upward. Because you see that there was a resistance here, there's a resistance here. You see that there's resistance here. So assuming that if you are putting you're putting a pending order here. That means the market has already broken through these barriers. If you're putting a pending order here, are you thinking of taking profit here? Are you thinking of taking profit here? So the strength of the candle will give you an idea of how far the market would go. The strength of the candle, the strength will determine how far the market will go. But at us this moment, we are waiting for a breakout to break for a full candle. A full candle. When I say a full candle, I mean a body candle to break through this area. Once it break through this area, I mean, you see these two resistance points. Once it breaks through, you might decide that it finishes. It might not still finish depending on the strength of the candle. You might put a pending order, and you might put a pending order there depending on where the candle finishes, and probably you look for the next level and take your profit depending on, and take your profit. But if you look for 1 day, this is 1 day here. 1 day tells you that the bulls are still in control. So once the market breaks through this level, you might start determining where to take your profit. But honestly, at this juncture, I will not take a trade in this market. I will not take a trade in this market because there are a lot of different stops along the way. If you see, there's a stop here, you go up, there's a stop here, and there's a stop here. So when I say stops, let me change this thing to so you can see it better. Yeah. So okay, so you see that there's a resistance. This is a line chart. Sometimes it helps you determine the levels in the market. Okay, the different levels in the market. So you see that there's a level here. That's a level right there where we drew ours, and that's a very important level because here you have resistance, and probably there's this level again up here. There's another level here. That's another level, and probably another level and another level. So you will need to be able to determine where the market might reverse, because you never know where the market might reverse or which of these levels the market will obey. But we'll look for the most important levels. Markets like this, I will not really want to analyze further unless, Mox, you have something to add. Yeah. Mox, are you there? And just to add, viewers, it's possible too for the market to take a turn, because we see that there's a resistance here. Though we see that bulls are powerful in this area, but the market can also turn a turn and come down and burst through out and burst out. So we'll wait. Like we said, wait for the market to burst through with a good candle, finishes above, take a trade, find the next level at which you would take your profit. Mox, are you there? All right, moving on. Um,
Please, can you
this
share me a screen again? God, I was having a
okay.
small
Uh,
breakdown.
can you see it?
Okay, yeah, I can see now. Thank you.
Yes, yes. So I was just, like I said, I don't want to emphasize on this market again. Once the market breaks out, and it depends on the, like this is the thing that we are saying. This is what we are saying. That at the end, trading has to do a lot with your personality. It has to do a lot with what you see in the market. Right, it has to do, that's why you have to practice yourself. You have to back test your strategy, what actually works for you. Yeah, because a market like this, at this juncture, I will not trade the market. Yeah, I know that the market might continue going upward, but I will not trade the market because I see there are too many levels for me. There are too many levels. This is the first level, this is the second level, and this is the third level. So there are three levels in this market. So this will be the second level, this is the first level, and this is the third level. So there are three levels in this market. Mox, do you follow?
Yes, I'm getting you.
Yes, so I'm saying that there are three levels. So once the market breaks above this resistance, you look for where to put a stop, a buy stop, because we don't enter market instant. I don't enter a market on an instant price. I'll only enter a market at an instant price in very few situations. Why? Because I do calculated trades before I take them. I don't just enter the market without thinking. I must have put my strategy, see my risk slash reward ratio, know why I'm taking that trade, see the reasons why. If the market goes against me, what am I going to do? So that's why I always avoid taking markets with instant at instant prices. So those are the three defined levels in the market. So the market might come up, assuming that the market breaks through this level, the market might come up, obey this level, or bust through it and go up, or come up right up to this level and make a turn. But among this level, there will be a turn somewhere. It might go up and continue. So I would want to avoid a market like this. I want to avoid a market like this at this stage, because if I had the opportunity to trade this market, I would have entered somewhere here. This is where I would have entered. I would have entered somewhere here, or maybe here. I would have been in profit already. So, Mox, do you have something to add?
Mm, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, what I've seen in this market, from everything that you've said concerning this market, the market is an uptrend market. And when you look very well, the market is, you see something like a triangle that the market is trying to form. Are you getting me, bro?
Yes, sure.
You see something like a triangle that the market is
Yes,
trying
the
to
market
form.
has formed a triangle. That's it right there.
Yes, you see a triangle, you have drawn it already. So, see, you explain it, we should be waiting for a breakout at that level. Immediately a market breaks at that level. So we should just be waiting for a breakout to enter the trade. Yeah, that is just all.
Okay.
Then what again? Yeah, what again? Like you said, you should have entered the market somewhere at this bullish engulfing, at this support. For me, is and to the other side is wrong because first, what if now if you would have entered somewhere here at this early stage where you saw this engulfing candle? Now the engulfing candle only shows that the market will buy just for a short period of time, then the market start reversing back. So that would be a losing trade for you. So the best possible place to trade this market was for us to wait at this level, as you said, at this resistance level. Immediately it breaks at this resistance level. That is a good place for us to be preparing to enter the market.
Yeah, that's why I said in general I will not trade a market like this. And look, I
Yeah.
traded this market from here to here. That you can see it clear. That's the money I made
Mhm.
in the market. I traded the
Yeah.
market from here to here. I bought here, I sold here, and I bought here. So that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Good.
that's it about that market. You don't have to do
Yeah.
over analysis. We are waiting for the breakout to trade. If there's no breakout,
Mhm.
if the market turns and reverses, we see what it does. So that's it. USD CFH. This is USD CFH, and if I look at that's 1 day. 1 day seems to be is still be, this is still in an uptrend. The market is still in an uptrend. Yep. Analysis shows the market is still in an uptrend. The only time the market would actually be in a downtrend is when it crosses this support line. So if the
Mhm.
market crosses this support line and finishes out, we look for buy opportunities. If the market breaks above this level, you look for sorry, if the market breaks below this line, we look for sell opportunities. If it breaks
Mhm.
above this line, we look for buying opportunities. But at the
Mhm.
moment, I will not think of taking this trade in this market. I already made money on this market from here to here. I'd already made about, let's see, how much did I make? That was 121 points right there, 121 pips. So wait for the market. This was a strong support the market created. It fell back to this support to this support zone, and it's doing its thing. So it seems like it's trying to resist this zone, but until I will not conclude that this zone has been rejected, because the
Mm-hmm.
market hasn't shown any sign that it's breaking through this other zone. So the only way it would tell me that the market is for sale is when it breaks through this zone. But out of the moment, I see only upward movement. But I will not take a trade in this market. So what do you have to say, Mox? Let's talk and skip to the next.
Mm, all your analysis, everything that we have talked concerning this market is we I should not be repeating what you have said
Okay,
because
okay,
yes,
all right,
yes,
great.
because everything that you have said is perfect. I just
Okay,
need to, if I'm coming to I do adjustment
all right.
now. Yes, yes, you have said on my mind also.
Okay, great. Perfect. So
Yeah.
that's what we watch on that market. Aussie USD. This is Aussie USD. All right. Aussie USD is the same triangle, right? This is a triangle. This is the right
Mm-hmm.
support triangle. And
Mm-hmm.
you see there's support down here, and the market is seems to be rejecting this level. So a market like this, I'm not thinking of taking a trade until I get a clear definition of where the market is standing. Looking at 4 hours, which gives me quite defined levels. I have to be patient
Now,
with the market.
I'm,
Yeah.
Ahmed, there's something.
Yes.
We're trying to build a strategy, and we've been working only on bullish sector of that particular strategy that we have been working on. Now, this is our triangle. Now, the triangle that is facing the sell market.
Yeah.
If you yes, so I know we have not we have not had this type of this thing sell opportunities in this. Now what I'm seeing in this market, I'm seeing a very great sell opportunity in this market. I don't
Okay.
know if actually, I don't know
Okay.
if actually you have seen anything like that, because I'm seeing a great sell opportunity
Yeah.
in this
So
market.
the thing is, this is the thing, Mokes. This is the thing, right? You're right. You
Mhm.
see a great sell opportunity, but where will be your entry? That's the question. Where will be your entry if you're seeing a sell opportunity? Where will your entry be?
Okay, let me see. Mm, let me see. Okay, I was thinking what was on my mind is now the I was waiting for a market to touch this level. It has hit this level. It has hit this level the first time. This is the second time. It has hit this level the second. We should be waiting now for the close of this candle, this bearish candle that is forming now. Immediately the market closes. Immediately the market closes with a strong selling pressure. Then we should the profit margin will not be the best.
All right.
I
Okay.
don't know.
At the end, Mokes. At the end,
Yeah.
like I said, if you look at 1 hour, you see that the
Mm-hmm.
currency has been falling tremendously, and
Yeah.
if you're smart, probably this is a level in the market where the price is at right now. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is a level in
Yes.
the market where the price is at right now. This level, the price is somewhere here. So
Yes.
if the price breaks through this level, if it breaks through this level, right? If it breaks through this level, right? That's that you are taking sell,
Yes.
right? You are
Yes.
taking sell, right? To
Yes.
probably maybe take
Yes.
profit somewhere around
Yes.
here.
Yes. You have seen the level. Yeah,
Yeah,
you have seen it. Yes.
yes.
Yes. That is a level.
But the honest truth is that I will not take a trade like this. I will not take a trade like this because now let's say you enter at this level from here to here. This is 1 hour. This is 17 pips. You see, that's 17 pips. Let's say,
Mhm.
let me do this. Let me add this. Let me add these levels. Let's add these levels and come to 4 hours. Okay, from here to here, right? That will be 19 pips. No, 19 pips is not bad, depending on how much you're trading with, the lot size you're trading with. Is that correct? All right, Mox, can you hear me? Yeah, Mox, you're back.
Yes, I'm back. Sorry
Yes.
about.
So I was saying that from year to year will be 19 pips. From year to year will be 19 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and to be on a safe side, I will never assume that the market is going to break through this level right down here. It's not for me to determine. It's for the market to tell me if it's going to break through that level. Yeah, understood. But I will not take a trade here, though there's a selling opportunity, like you said. But I will not take this trade. Yeah, I will not take this trade. You know, at the end, you should know what market you want to trade and that which you don't want to trade. You get the point?
Yes.
Yes, this is a good market for those who would want to take the trade and come out. Why for me? Why for me? Why wouldn't I take this trade? There are a couple of reasons. The first reason is that if I enter this market, what is my, because now from here to here is 17 pips, right? It's 17 pips. From here to the next level, which would might the market might turn, is 17, is 19 pips. 19 pips you are paying spread. Spread probably is about probably 3 or 4 pips different. So if you take that trade from here to here, instead of 19 pips, you are making probably 15 pips. Okay? So that's
Mm-hmm.
15 pips. Then what is your risks? What if the market turns and go up? How much are you willing to lose in the market? Let's say you put your stop loss somewhere here. Let's say you put your stop loss somewhere here, right?
That place is too
It's
close.
too close now. Go up.
Mm-hmm. Yes, right up, right at the highest rejection. Yeah, somewhere there.
No, but you cannot be risking more. You cannot be risking more to make less. This is, you are risking 27 to make 19. So that will not be a good market for me at all. You get my point? Mox, you hear me?
Yes, I'm getting you,
Yeah,
bro.
so that's the reason why I will not take. Yeah, the trade might come down, but that's not a market that I would trade because of the
Mm-hmm.
risk slash reward ratio. Because it's not left for me to determine if the market will come and burst through this and continue going down. It's the market to tell me if it's going to come here and continue going down or make it reverse. So just because of this barrier down here, I'm not sure. Just because of this zone down here, this is a very important zone in the market, right? That's a very important zone in the market. I'm not sure that I would take that trade, but it's a good trade, but I will not take it. Okay. With that said,
Yeah.
let's move on. Let's move on. GBP USD. This is GBP USD. From looking at GBP USD to break through this level, I lose this trade. Took a small trade somewhere here. I lose this trade because the news hit my entry in the wrong direction. So I'll be looking to trade this market. Once this market closes for today, I might be looking to enter the market here and look to take profit in the next level. So that'll be 53 points. 53 points is never bad as compared to 19 pips. So if
Mm-hmm.
I roll down this, now this is 4 hours. This is 4 hours. We see that well, the market has done its thing. I'm clapping on this support, but whatever the reason, I'll be waiting for the market to break through this zone. This zone. If there's anything that's going to happen, this is the zone that will tell me if this market is going to continue. Once this market breaks through this zone completely, once it breaks through this zone, I'll be looking for an entry position for a buy to keep going upward. Until then, I will just have to wait and see what the market does. Mokes, what do you have to say? It's still a triangle. If you look at it
Yes.
critically, it's still a triangle thing. If we bring down this properly, that's still the
Yes.
triangle.
Yes. We should be waiting. Yeah, we should be waiting for a breakout at that
Yes,
level that you've joined.
yes,
Yes, immediately it crosses that level,
yes,
it's a great opportunity for us.
yes,
So we should be watching at that level.
yes.
Now, how are we going to determine our profit now at that level?
No.
Immediately it breaks.
All right. Now, it's a few minutes to the end of the market. Okay.
Yes.
This is 4 hours. This is 4 hours, depending on how the market closes. Depending on how the market closes and the market opens tomorrow. If the market, it depends how the market opens. But once, if you have a bullish candle that goes right up here, that
Mm-hmm.
crosses through this barrier and goes up, it will probably be a bullish market.
Mm-hmm.
It will be a bullish market. Once it breaks this line and goes upward, it will be a bullish market. There you can put your pending order right there. Pending order, your take profit. Your stop loss somewhere here. Your stop loss somewhere here. Yeah. You can put your stop loss somewhere here. Once the market hits it and you wait for the market to tarry enough, then you can bring back you can close up your stop loss. But let's wait and see what the market does. But we will be looking for buying opportunities. I always say that once the market goes up and comes down, because you see it is making higher, it is making lower highs. Lower highs. This
Yeah.
is the first low, this is the second low. And I'm not expecting that the market is going to come back here. From here, it looks like the market will just shoot upward. So we'll wait and see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. USD JPY. No, I don't have anything to say here because the volatility is too slow. The market is too slow. New Zealand USD, the market is at a position right now that is not tradable for me. It's not tradable for me at all. So I just probably have to wait and see what the market does for New Zealand USD. Mooks, do you have anything to add?
Mm,
Let me roll 4 hours. This is 4 hours.
this news around.
Yeah, this is New Zealand USD. All right. Let me stop and share. Time is up. Okay. Dear viewers, give me a second so I can connect with him. And oh, yeah. So viewers, looking at New Zealand USD. All right. Right now, the market is in a funny situation, and you can see that I will only wait for the market to actually give me a clear direction where I can actually trade. I could actually maybe draw a line here and wait for a situation, whichever direction in which the market breaks out. I'll probably take a trade in that direction, right?
Okay, let me see. Let me share my screen.
All right.
See on that news. Yes, let's
Oh,
see.
okay.
News around USD.
All right. Let him share his screen with us.
Okay, let me go to New Zealand USD.
right.
It's a strong sell. I'm seeing a strong sell.
Okay. Fix your chart now. Let's review.
Okay, let's go to one week. Let's start 1 week. Now there's something here I've seen in 1 week. There's a strong. Then also you see something here is strong.
Yeah, I see that resistance right there.
Yes. Now what I've seen here is that the market is selling and coming down towards this level.
Okay.
Now when we go now to yes, now when we go now to 1 day, let's see how what 1 day has been doing. This 1 day. So 1 day now we'll see a small resistance at 1 day here. This is a small resistance that the market has struggled to create here
Don't worry. Don't
at
worry
this
about
level.
that. Don't worry about that protrusion. That's just a protrusion. Follow that link. That's
Mm-hmm.
a resistance. There's resistance up there. If you follow it, one, two, three. Sometimes the market might go a
Yes.
little bit upward. It doesn't mean that it's pulled back. It it pulls it back. So there's resistance up there.
Now what I'm expecting in this market, we should be waiting now a break at this level. At
Oh,
this level, immediately market breaks this level.
yes.
This
Yeah.
level, we should be taking a sell opportunity at this level.
Okay.
So this is a point that we should be waiting.
All right.
Yeah, you can see here the market has found support here
Yes.
about twice or thrice.
Yeah.
So it shows that this is a very dangerous level in the market.
Yeah.
So yeah, and if you stretch and come right at this level, you also see a very support also that the market created at this level. I even
Yes.
see head and shoulder. You even see something like head and shoulder
Mm-hmm.
that the market has created. This is
Yeah.
a left shoulder, this is a right shoulder.
Yeah.
But now this right shoulder, it's like there's a lot of sell pressure in this right shoulder. That means sellers they want to take control of the market. So we are waiting for a break at this level. Then from there we can enter the market. When a sell candle crosses this level and closes with a strong sell pressure, then we look for a sell opportunity.
All right, Mooks. Okay, copy it. Understood. I don't want us to waste too much time on. So we are waiting for the break out of that zone, right?
That should be around 150 pip.
So we are waiting for a
150.
break out of that zone.
Yes. So then we should be the total pip is 150. Let's say 150, 154 pips that we are going to get in the market.
All right, fine. So that's a
Yeah.
good
Okay.
trade.
Okay.
Okay,
Let
guys.
me
I hope you're
let
following.
let me stop then and okay.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. Stop sharing.
Okay. That was a very good observation, Mooks. That was a very good observation
Thank
because
you very
you
much.
saw that. Yeah, like I said, this is 1 week. Sometimes you don't worry about this protrusion. That's just a protrusion because they say standard shows that this is the support zone. This is the
Mm-hmm.
support. This is the resistance zone. This is the resistance
Mm-hmm.
zone. Yes, this is the resistance zone for that market. Yeah, this is the resistance zone. So because resistance is qualified as 102 or more touches. 2 or more touches qualifies as a resistance, or as a support, or resistance, right? Yeah. And like you said, once the market breaks through, once the market breaks through this point, right? Once the market breaks through this point, we're looking for a sell to this area. And he says we are looking at around 126 points. So once the market breaks through that area, Mox, are you there? So we'll watch for the breakout through that area, and we can take a trade. Once the market breaks through this area, we can take that trade that we've been waiting for. Once the market breaks through this area. So let's keep an eye on that. Mox, can you hear me?
Yes, I can get you.
Yes. So we're saying that once the market breaks through that area, we can take the trade.
Yes.
Yeah, as you depicted. Once the market break through this area, we take the trade and come downward. All right, great. GPP, JPY, no. Gold, Mokes. I've milked gold. I've eaten from gold. Do you know how much I made on gold this morning? See, this is me in the market. I've taken more than, look, I entered gold here. And I came out here. I've made 663 pips on gold. This morning I ate all of this candle like this. All this candle that you see, this big candle. Let me show you. Are you there? This is my trade for today.
Yes, I'm
So
there.
I okay. Once the market ended yesterday, I closed the market, right? I went out of the market. Then I came in and put my buy stop here. The market triggered, took me right up to this level. So in total, I've made that's 600 and around 620 pips only on gold.
Mac, that's
Yeah,
that's super money.
I don't want to show viewers my profile sheet, or let me say my trading sheet yet. Yes, I'll preserve that for another day. Yeah, I'll preserve that for another day. So you see this tricks, how we do the trades. I mean, I said this market today I did it twice because I entered the market, right? Since I'm working from home, I entered the market. Okay, when I entered the market and the market regressed, I came out of the market. I put another buy stop. It entered again. I took more money and I came out of the market. This is what we call when you prepare the market. Where, like we said, the levels are very important in the market. You see this, we drew this, I drew this triangle. This is another triangle. This is another triangle. This is another triangle. You see that, Mokes?
Yes, I'm seeing a
This is
triangle.
the triangle. I knew that. You see the rejection. You see this rejection. This is a powerful rejection at this level. This is a strong support area. And once the market stepped out of this zone with this power, I knew that the power with the bulls is not coming back. Yeah. So this is a rejection at this powerful level because this is resistance. Resistance becomes support. Resistance becomes support. And if you keep rolling, you'll see that it's something like that. So once the market broke out of that zone, I took it like that. So at this juncture, you should have already eaten from the, and this is weekly candles. You should have already eaten from the market and waiting for, look at this one big you know that gold, this is the first high, like the latest high gold is making in the market. Like the price of gold is at the highest level. Yeah. If you go backward, see, gold has always been in a low. Look, you see, this is the highest level gold made. I think this was in, let me see, what year was this? This was in 2011. You see, This was in
Mm-hmm.
2011 that gold made the highest high. Since then, the current gold has just been on the downside. But now today we've come back here and gold has made this high. So it's a new high. So one of the reasons that I had to step out of the market is because now, oh yeah, gold had made this high. Sorry, this is the highest high gold had made. This was in 2023. But you see that as it made that high, it went back. The bears pushed the market downward. So now, why I came out of this market is because I wasn't sure what level gold would rise up to. Okay, I wasn't sure if it was going to make it to this level and regress, or if it was going to go above this level. But looking at the power of the bulls, right? Gold might go up some more, or it might keep going up, but I cannot determine. I cannot determine that. That's why I will stay out of this market. I've already made enough to stay out of the market. I'll wait for the market to take another turn before I'll be able to step in and continue taking profits. Remember, this was the support. This was the support. That's what we do. We do not trade anything. It's not a strange thing. This was support down here, and this was resistance down here. We wait for the market. Once the market breaks out and finish, we enter the trade. We take it at the first level, the next level. This is it. We took it. I took the profit at this next level. Okay? I took the profit at this next level. Once the market, I saw that, okay, once I came out of the market, I put a pending order that in case the market starts above this, I'm knowing that the market is going to continue going upward. That's the same thing that I did. And this market, I traded this market this morning. This one long
Hmm.
candle like this is this morning that I traded it. So, and only this one candle gave me about 251 pips. All right. I'm not talking.
200.
Yeah, give me about 231 pips. Then if we look at Euro GPY, this is what we gave me. So this is wow, 600 and something. No, did I make up to 600 and something pips in this market? Yeah. So oh, okay, that was still gold. All right, that was still gold. So that's my observation of gold. That's my observation of gold. So Mooks, what do you have to say?
Gold has been doing its part, and it has broken the resistance level, the strong resistance level. In one
Yes.
week, even in 1 month, it shows that gold is moving up. Gold is
Yes.
a very strong bullish trend,
Yeah.
and a strong bullish trend. So
Yes.
at not point and at no point in time that we should be looking at selling gold, because everything in gold is buy,
Yes.
bullish.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. And another thing that I want to mention here again, another important thing that I want to mention here. Look, if you look at this market, you need to know when a market has made a step. It's something I've
Mm-hmm.
seen consistently in
The
plenty
market.
of my trading. You get it? In
Yeah.
plenty of my trading. For example, if I come back to, let me just show you what I'm saying. Let me come back to 1 minute in Euro JPY. Where was that market at that time? Let me see if I can find it. Oh, maybe I. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. It looks like I did remove those lines, but I wanted to show you guys something that is so important, that in trading you should understand when a market has made a step. Market do make steps. They make steps. That means they live from step one to step two. If something lives from step one to step two, you should understand that it's not coming down. It's not coming down. It's going upward. If it lifts from the upper step to down to the lower steps, it means it is going down. If it lifts from the upper step to, you know, all right, this video is almost going to an hour already. So, Mox, that might not be ideal for us.
Okay.
All right, okay. But now, that's what I was saying. Look at this. You see, Mox, look at something. You see the support, right?
Yeah.
You see this
Mm-hmm.
support. You have the first one and you have the second one. Then see what the market did here. The market came here and create a new support and it never came down here. Do you see?
Yes, I've seen the support.
Yes, the market created support. Look, one, two, three. This was it. Then look at where the next candle formed. It never came down. This is to tell you that the market has taken a step upward. If it was downward,
Yes.
it would have been different. It has taken a step forward. This is already a clue to tell you that the buyers are powerful.
Mm-hmm.
The buyers are powerful. So, if I wanted to trade tomorrow, if I wanted to trade tomorrow or at the close of the day, I might come and put my my pending order right here. I'll put a pending order right here. I'll put a pending order right here. Assuming that the market starts here, right?
Yes.
Assuming that the market starts here and goes up and hit my entry. Yeah. But since this is, unless gold is going to make another high, which we do not know, but from the strength of the candles, but there is something too we can notice. Look at the first candle. Look at the second candle. The first candle has more strength than the first candle, right?
Yes.
If you measure them, if you measure them, this is 397 pips.
Mm.
This one, though the market isn't finished yet, this is 329 pips. It means there's a drop. So certain things like this must start telling you, um, giving you a clue if this market, if you are entering the market as a buy, which level how far do you expect the market to go? So things like that you need to take into consideration. But at this juncture, I might want to just stay out of the market for a second. So that's my observation. Yeah,
Okay. Try to zoom it. Try to bring it closer. Let me see. I want to see that point. I want to see the current price now in gold.
yeah. The current price is 200 and
No,
2,000
bring a chart. Centralize. Can you centralize a chart? Because your chart is not well centralized.
centralized how?
Yeah, bring it at the middle.
Like you mean like this?
Yeah, you just I cannot see the end. Okay, yeah, I can. Okay, yeah, I'm seeing it. Okay, now where you draw a line, where you draw a line up and down, you see that goal is at a zone. There's a zone here that goal is buying at this zone. When you draw a line from here, that's a support. Then there's another line up, a resistance line. You see that
Here.
goal is at that level. Yeah, yeah, that is a support line that I have drawn. Then there's another line up where you've seen a lot where sellers came and they're unable to push the buyer. In fact, buyers came, they were unable to push the market above that level. You see equal buys.
I don't know from what direction you're talking of.
That 1 minute, in that 1 minute, come back to that 1 minute.
1 minute
Yeah, you are doing something at 1 minute.
in gold? No, I wasn't doing anything on 1 minute in gold.
Yeah, I saw your time frame. I saw something 1 minute.
No, I was looking at Euro JPY.
I thought it's go 1 minute because I saw something.
No, this is now gold. This is now gold 1 minute.
Okay. No,
This is now gold
goal.
1 minute.
Yeah, gold already is in an uptrend. So, no time sellers are going to enter the market. And I'm also seeing a strong bullish candle also even in the previous month to come. So,
Yeah, so we expect a continuation trend upward.
yeah, continuation trend upward. Let me see the closest point in that 1 month in gold.
This is the closest. It's almost hitting there.
That is the closest point, and gold is threatening to come to that particular level.
Yes,
And
and it will
even
break through that level. I'm pretty sure it will break through that level. With the strength of this man.
yeah, with the strength of these two candles, now
Yes. With the strength of that guy.
yes, It's going to break across that level.
Yes. So people, you can still be looking for buying opportunities. Okay.
Even yeah, then there's something I've noticed: gold, GDP USD, Euro USD, Australian USD, all of them has the same movement.
They are correlated, but you know currencies they are
Yes,
only correlated for a moment. So
yes,
correlation does changes from time to time. So if they are
yes,
working together now, yeah, yeah. But
yeah. They are
why
also,
are they related? They are related because all of them carry the USD. The USD they carry dollar.
yes.
So dollar
They
is the
carry the
main.
USD dollar.
Yes, they carry the dollar. So that's why when you are looking at the news, if the news is going to affect dollar, you should check all your currencies that contains the dollar because it's going to affect all of them. Yeah, because the dollar
Yeah,
is the driving force of all those currencies. It determines their direction.
yeah. Like you see, go has USD as their USD as a code.
Yes,
So Australia has USD as a code. GDP has USD as a
yes.
code.
That's
So
why.
it shows that yes. So we should be watching at all those currency. In fact, all those currency that has USD as a code. You
That's
see
right.
gold also. Yeah,
Yes, that's a very good observation because they're all correlated. So
yeah,
one is
correlated.
affecting one, is affecting the other, is affecting all of them. That's why we keep
Yes.
an
So
eye on things like that. So that's it for gold. Let's move on to USD. Canadian dollar is on the
yeah,
uptrend. I'm looking at
yeah.
it
This
too.
This is what I was saying. Yeah, yeah. This is a chat. This 1 minute. You have gone to 1 minute, but just a lie like that.
No,
Let's
this
do
is not
something.
1 minute. This is 1 day under USD card.
Or I, maybe I'm not seeing your screen.
Let me stop and share again.
Yeah, stop and share again.
I'm sharing.
Okay, waiting.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Yeah, has it come up?
No, still waiting.
Yeah, so
Just
it's probably due to network. It's network. So viewers, this is USD card. And if you look at USD card, the same thing that is happening to the other currencies. Like if you draw your line here, this will be a triangle. We are either waiting for a breakout through the zone. Once it breaks through the zone, we'll be looking to take profit to the next zone. As you can see, I've put a pending order already, a buy stop, and this is my stop loss. Once it hits, we'll see how the market go. I'm expecting to take my first profit, take profit one in on this level, which will probably be um 74 pips. I'm expecting 74 pips once the market comes up and breaks through this level. It should be able. I'll have confidence that if the market comes up here, the bulls must have that power to push it through that level to actually break out and come to take profit at that level. So, Mox, are you there?
yeah. I'm unable to
Okay.
see your screen.
You are not able to see my screen.
Yeah,
Then you should maybe just log out of the meeting and try to, I don't know, because there's nothing I can do unless something is
yeah. Let me
blocking
lock.
you from seeing the screen.
Yeah, let me lock out then come back again.
All right, Mooks, I will just talk with our viewers because I don't want this video to over extend.
Okay, okay, okay. Just
I'll give them a
then
rundown of
let's.
what we have and come back to it. So, right,
Okay,
you can stop the meeting and try to rejoin again. Log out and try
okay,
to
okay.
rejoin again. So, viewers, while he's trying to reconnect, sometimes Africa has problems with their, network and all that. So, this is the situation here, and as you were saying, if we were looking for sales, we've been looking for a breakout through this blue line. But since the market is in an upward trend, we're looking for a breakout through the red line where we can take a buy and maybe sell it to the next level. And why not right up and keep following with that? Euro JPY, I will not take this trade, volatility too slow. Um uh GBP New Zealand, same thing. Same thing here. Same thing. GBP New Zealand, same thing. We'll still be looking to we'll still be looking we'll be looking for a breakout through the zone. Once there's a breakout through the zone, Once there's a breakout through the zone, because you never know, we could put it here. Once there's a breakout through the zone, we can take a buy order and profit at the next zone here. It could be here, depending on, it could be here. Once it approaches here, depending on the candle formation, you could extend it right up to this level. So we'll put a pending order here, a pending buy order. Once the market comes up and hit it, we'll know that, yeah, we're going to go up and take a profit there. That's it with that market. Cat JPY, nothing to say about that. Nothing to say about this. All right, we have this. We have this. So probably let me look at 4 hours. So what is the market saying here? Do I have a direction? Let me look at the month. What is the month saying? The month says it is going upward. Okay. 1 week. Yep, upward. All right, not bad. Okay. This market is strong bullish market, so we'll probably look for a level where it will break out, probably at this zone where it will break and continue upward. That's my observation for that market. Euro users are nothing to say about that. Nothing to say about that. This market is giving me headache. It's giving me headache. All right, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. All right, it is what it is. I'm already in the straight. I'm already in the straight. I was hoping this market would go up more, but it looks like the sellers are in complete control. So we'll wait
So
and
which
see.
currency is that?
This is New
New Zealand
Zealand CFH.
CFH. Okay.
This is New Zealand
Mm,
CFH.
this 1 week. Go
This is
to
this is 1 day.
That's 1 day.
Yeah.
Then go to 4 hours. Let's see.
This is 4 hours.
Try to zoom. I mean, this market is a sell market.
Yeah.
I don't know if you have seen it.
Yeah. The market is selling. The market is
Yes,
selling.
because you can see the first breakout here, second, and this is a third. It's threatening to come and break this one. You don't need to
Yes.
put a pending order just below this level
Yeah, once
at
it
this
breaks
long
out
trend.
of here, once it breaks out of this zone, this line,
Yes, yeah,
you take for a
yes.
sell opportunity.
You take for a sell opportunity
Yeah,
there, take profit just at this
this
level.
market, this is one thing I learned in market. That's why you need to actually put trades. You need to actually put trades and follow them. Let me tell you something about this market. Let me tell you why this market that I'm in this market. It has taught me a lot. Let me tell you one of the things that has taught me in this market. When this market had broken through this line, right?
Yes.
When it had break through this line, I was losing just about $200. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just because I didn't want to lose anything, just because I was reluctant to get out of the trade with a loss, right?
Yeah.
Not following my strategy, and my strategy had already told me that it's time for me to take a different direction. I did not
Mm-hmm.
follow it. This is where I am in this market now. This is where I am. Look, I'm losing right down to here. Look, this is, yes, I'm losing from here to here. That's the loss that I
But
have.
you need to close it.
I'm losing about 67 pips in that market.
But you need to close that
You
market
see?
because immediately the market breaks. I've seen where I've entered the market. I'm seeing a position. Now, immediately the market still need to break this level again. It must break this level.
Yeah, that I have to wait for it to break that level.
But now there's no support
Because
at that level. Go to
because
1 hour.
one day, like I said, I have to wait for it to break that level first.
Okay.
Yes. This is 1 day. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
This is 1 day. So I'll wait for it to break this level. Once it breaks that level, or in 4 hours, if it breaks this level in 4 hours, fine. I know that, okay.
Even 1 day, there are a lot of information in 1 day, even 4 hours. Now see this rejection in 4 hours. Yeah, we have how many rejection in 4 hours? Then even go to one eye, you see something in one eye. Let's see something.
That's
Ah,
one
it's
hour.
downtrend, my bro. Yeah, downtrend.
That's one
Yeah,
hour.
you see this shooting star somewhere. You see this
Yes,
inverse
smokes.
hammer.
But you know what? The
No.
market has to break through this level.
Okay.
The market has to break through this level.
Maturity level. Okay.
That's the principle. It has to break through this level. Look at this candle. You might have seen this candle thinking the market was going to break. See what form on the
Mm-hmm.
next candle. So we'll wait for the candle for this market to break through this candle. That's the principle. Is that wrong? That's the principle, right?
Yeah,
It
that's the
has to break the
principle.
support line. If it doesn't break, we are not taking any trade. That's how we trade until it breaks through here. Now, if it breaks, once it breaks through there, once it breaks through here, we look for breaks through here and finishes out. We look for a support. We look for for entry around here, and decide where the next take profit is going to be. But before that, until it breaks through this level, you're not taking any trade.
Mm-hmm.
It has to break through this level because this is support. This is support. It has to break through this level. Don't be surprised that the market might come here and change and go up. Don't be surprised. It's very
Okay,
possible.
let's watch. Let's be watching the
Yes. So
market.
let's keep a
So,
watch on that market. So
mhm.
silver is not nothing. I'm not trading that. Um, this is Aussie JPY.
This is not a good market to trade.
This is Aussie JPY. Aussie JPY has taken a step because this was the first step. Now it came down. It's not making. This is probably no. We'll see what Aussie JPY does. Yeah, but let's see 1 week. All right, man. The candles are just. Yeah, we'll wait and see what that market does. Okay. One. This is CAT JPY. CAT JPY has crossover.
Mm-hmm.
So CAT JPY has crossovers. This will support, 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 support. It has breaking out. What we could wait for, there are two things we could wait for. We could wait for the
You
market to
retest.
come back and retest this level and
Mm-hmm.
continue to shoot
Continuously.
down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So whatever the case, if we're looking for a sell opportunity, we wait for the market to come down somewhere here. If the market can come down somewhere here, we'll take a sell. You want to make sure you take a sell. If the market reaches that level, you take a sell. Take first take profit around there and stop loss somewhere there. This is to assume that you got a sales market. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But we have to wait to see what the market does. So I think viewers, that will be the end for the chat for today. We have Aussie card. Aussie card is another great currency here. And as you see, we've drawn the triangles and burying them and waiting for whichever side the market breaks out from. If it breaks to the upside, I'll take a buy. If it breaks to the downside, I'll take a sell. It's as simple as that. There's nothing more. And you see, I will not say sellers is showing anything. It's just a candle. I'll just wait for the market to do its thing. If it breaks out, fine. I'll take a sell. If it breaks upward, I'll take a buy. So it's just to be patient now. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you most. Just stay with me. Let me sign out with our viewers. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you,
Yes.
viewers. And if you have any questions, drop a comment in the link. Drop a comment on the channel, and let's see how we can help you. If you like what we do, subscribe, share, and follow us. Thank you so much.